So how to fix Snapchat camera? First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then open the apps like this. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds right here and then scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you into this page. Click here on force stop and then go to the permissions. On this permissions page, make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the camera permission. Go back and now click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and click on delete. After that, go back into the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and now what you want to do is go into the airplane mode, enable it and disable it like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end.